Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set location name of your computer or PC or virtual machine, whatever it is, in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So now let me open the terminal. Login as a root user. Only root user can change the location name or set the location name. So hostname ctl command will display the location name. So here you can see I did not set a location name so far. So first time we are going to set location name in Oracle Linux 8. So this is the command to set the location name. So hostname ctl set hyphen location Chennai. So I am giving the location name as Chennai. So hostname ctl, you can see that location is got created. So this command will be useful if you have multiple computer in more computers in multiple networks. Okay, so you used to identify from which location your computer is belong to. So for that purpose this set location command will be useful for you. Okay, I can also clear or delete the location like this. So hostname ctl set hyphen location empty string will delete the location. Anyway, I am going to put back this location. So I am going to change some other location because I need location to identify this computer belongs to which location.